Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you look through this platform here, you will see that it look familiar. It look alike to some platform I have shared before. Yes, it look like that. So guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Banky Me, and this is Banky Update. So in this video today, this is a new update called Boccoin, BOC. This is exactly like FO2. So if you are among those people that enjoy FO2 when FO2 was out, then try to use this opportunity quickly, fast again, as we did during FO2. I believe many of us that do FO2, many of us did not regret registering on FO2 investing on FO2. So right now, if you want to invest on this one, it's just like FO2, exactly like FO2, the same step. So when you register, if you want to register, check the description of this video. Below this video, you will see the registration link there. Register. When you register, after you register, it will take you to this place. Then click here, click right here. So when you click here, it will direct you to take you to this place. Then scroll down, then click on this rename authentication. Click on that rename authentication. So from here, you will do your verification, that is your KYC. So right now, you will input your name here and your surname here. Then your phone number, you will input it here, and your ID card number, you will input it here. So right now, after you've done that, you will click on confirm. So let me do that right now and show you what next. So when you do this, this platform is going to give you a free machine to mine, a free machine which you can use to mine for free. You can use it to mine up to $10 for free. You can use it, but if you want to withdraw uh, very quickly, then they will then you just deposit if you want to withdraw very quickly and make more money on this platform. Then you have to deposit and do as we do before on FO2. Don't worry, all your capital will be back to you. So right now, let me do this my rename authentication before I go any more further. So again, you will have to upload your the front of your ID card here and the back here. So after you do everything, then you will click on confirm here. I hate nonsense in Enrique. So you can come here on the home page. If you want to buy any miner, then you can come here on the home page here to buy any miner you want. For example, this miner here, you can, if you want to buy it, you have to deposit $11.92, and this miner will work for you for 10 days. That miner will yield 30% for you. 30%. Yes, 30%. It will yield it for you. And your daily revenue is 0.30 BC. Is 0.30 BOC. Let's see how much that worth. Let's see. Click on transfer. If you want to know how much that worth, click on transfer here. This transfer right here. Click on it. So let's see, 0.30 BC to Naira to this. So I don't know the price right now. I think that is about 0.60 something, 70 something dollars daily. 0.70 something dollars daily. So that is how to go about it. And again, if you want to purchase any other machine, for example, machine 2 here, this second machine here will give you, if you purchase it with $23.84, it will be yielding 0.70 BOC for you daily. That is, in 10 days you will earn 35% profit. It will yield total 35% for you. Total of 35% for you. So that is how the platform work. If you want to go for it, if you want to make money on this platform, you can try it out right now. If you want to deposit, this is how to make your deposit on this platform. You come down here, then you click on deposit. So when you click on that deposit, it will take you to this page where you are going to make your deposit. So let's say I want to deposit $50 right now, and I click on confirm recharge. So it will take me to a page where I'm going to see my uh, my wallet link, my wallet address. Just click on copy. Click on this, then transfer the total amount of USDT TRC20 you want to deposit, then transfer into the wallet. Make sure you read this warning down below here. Warning: any phone sent by mistake on the wrong blockchain or to an incompatible address may cause the phone to be lost forever. So just make sure you are sending Tron USDT TRC20. Make sure that is what you are sending to your account. So guys, that is how it is. It work like FO2 exactly. I think they are still the same thing. They are still the same thing. So you can also use this opportunity right now as it's just launched and make money from this platform. So guys, thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now, and thank you for watching my update. Goodbye.